All right, so this video is a lot sadder than most videos. You've noticed I've been working on the mail truck. Well, last Monday, I was driving home from work after a beautiful weekend of changing the oil at my 5,000 mile mark. I also replaced the air cleaner. The car was driving amazing. Everything looked like it was doing good. I was super excited. I drove it to work. It's 100 miles to work right now, working out of town. And I drove it home and I was like, this is amazing. The new air filter apparently is very important to change regularly, especially after blowing the head gasket 2-3 times on it. As I drove home, I boosted it up about 45 psi, passing some cars. This thing was a rocket. It was so fast, so exciting, and it drove good. And I watched my temperature gauge and I was like, well, oh no, we're good. Temperature came down. Oil pressure stayed good. Everything looked good. I drove all the way back home. I stopped at the fuel to fuel it up to check my fuel mileage. 28 miles a gallon. Loving it, but I hear a hissing sound. And the hissing sound made me very curious as to who was leaking a tire. And I was like, wait a second. There's moisture and junk all over this windshield all of a sudden. And there's little spots down the fender, and there was stuff on the rear fender, and I realized that's me that's hissing. So I quickly opened up the hood, looked under there, and the whole head gasket is pissing out fluids everywhere, and it's steaming up. So I did what any man would do, and I closed the hood gently, of course, because it's got a paint job on it. Started to cry inside. Realized I still got 28 miles a gallon. Drove it home because apparently I'm an idiot. You just drive cars even if they're broken. And I parked it. I called Power Driven Diesel, my experts of dieselness, and I asked him the following questions. What the crap? And he said, did you hit 45 pounds of boost? I said, yeah. And he said, is your timing advanced pretty decent? I said, yeah. He said, when you did the head, did you do a hot retorque? And I said, no. And he goes, you want a new head gasket? He's a good salesman. Power driven, way to go. I ordered a head gasket. This time, hopefully this Friday, Saturday, I'm going to do a video of me switching the head gasket. 4th gasket. I feel like a Monty Python skit coming, you know. The first gasket was blown. The second gasket was blown. The third gasket was blown. But the 4th one is going to carry me to the end. So stay tuned for a fun video of me with a blown head gasket crying as I work on my car again this weekend. Keep watching. Hope you guys like my videos. See you soon.